How to add background videos in Squarespace. In order to do that, first, choose right here wherein you want to put it. For example, I'll put it as a background for this particular section. Now in here, just click on this section and click on this edit section. From in there, you can click on this background. And in here, you have options between images, videos, and arts. In this case, let's choose in here video. Click onto this add a video option. You can select from library, add from link, or upload a file. So in this case, let me head over and add from link. It can be from YouTube or Vimeo. So you have in here this video. Let's head over and copy the URL right here. Right click and click on copy. Head over right here to your Squarespace and add in here the URL that we have copied. And after that, click on add. Once you have done that, as you can see, this will load and it should be able to replace in here the actual background that we have. So in this case, just choose the playback speed. And as you can see, it's now been added. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.